Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are keeping it friendly and simple as we dive into a traditional Japanese breakfast. In today's episode, we are preparing a classic Japanese breakfast, mirin-glazed fish, miso soup, and ohitashi. This meal is a great way to start your day with a balance of flavors and nutrition. Let's start cooking! Start with the mirin marinade. It's best to marinate for over an hour, so preparing it the night before is recommended. We are using sawara fish, but mackerel or cod or salmon can be used similarly. Cut your chosen fish in half. We forgot to cut it before cooking, so we did it just before frying. Sprinkle salt and let it sit for 5 minutes, then pat dry with kitchen paper. In a sealable bag, mix the marinade ingredients and coat the fish well. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. In a pan, heat the salad oil and place the fish skin side down. Cook on low heat until golden. Then flip and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until done. Once cooked, the mirin-glazed fish is ready. Next, the miso soup. Measure water using the serving bowls, filling about half to leave room for ingredients. Add dashi to the pot before heating. If using dashi-infused miso, skip this step. Cut tofu on your hand or a cutting board, but be careful as it crumbles easily. Once the water boils, add wakame, then turn off the heat. Add miso after turning off the heat to preserve its aroma. Dissolve about 1 tablespoon of miso per person, adjusting to taste. If it's too strong, dilute with water. Once the miso is dissolved, the miso soup is ready. Finally, we will prepare the ohitashi. This time we are using leftover nanohana from our previous video to make the dish. You can also substitute it with spinach or komatsuna, so feel free to try making it with these alternatives. Boil your choice of greens. Make sure to squeeze out the excess water thoroughly. In a deep dish, mix water, soy sauce, and mirin. Add the greens and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes for better flavor. Serve with rice for a complete breakfast, a filling and nutritious start to the day. Natto can be a delicious addition. Miso soup is simple yet warming and versatile with various ingredients. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us in making this traditional Japanese breakfast. We hope you enjoyed this episode and feel inspired to try it yourself. Remember, a good day starts with a good breakfast. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. See you next time for more culinary adventures. Bye bye!